Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a very special DeLonghi with us in the shop. This is the DeLonghi Specialista. This is the more upgraded version. You do get two different screens, still keeping your analog pressure gauge. And yeah, so pretty much it had came in, or this machine had came in for replacing of the knobs. And I have the original ones here I could kind of show you. So compared to the other DeLonghi Specialistas, this one actually has a different set of knobs. There you go. Now you can see. So this is what the customer tried fixing it with. I'm assuming it's some sort of glue. And then this one broke too. But they're different sizing on the bottom. The stem on this one broke. It would have a stem kind of like this, but a little longer or a little shorter. And yeah, so this would go in here. Plus you would have the knobs, which I have here. Click on. And yeah, it'll be installed. So had a little bit of trouble with sourcing the right knobs, but once we got them, we replaced them. And now we're gonna test the machine with y'all on video. So we're gonna first start by turning it on. As you can see, you got two different screens. You have the screen to choose what kind of drink you want, and you have the screen to show you two things. One, if your steamer is ready, and two, your dose level. So now we're gonna test the knobs. So say you want espresso, you will leave it at espresso, but as you start to move this knob, as you can see, it rotates through all the drinks. You have Americano, flat white, latte, cappuccino, coffee, and it just keeps going around and around and around. And yeah, and if you try to like pull this knob, it won't come off. If it does come off, you just put it back on. One thing about these knobs, although this machine is quite expensive, please be careful with the knobs. Don't like yoink it, don't try to pull on it. There's no reason to anyways. Just use them very delicately, pick your drink. Here is for the dose level. As you can see, we're on 0.1 right now, which is the littlest amount you can. If you click all the way here, you could do pre-ground. But as you can see, you can move around here and pick your selection. This would be too much coffee. And when you hit too much coffee, it will alert you, because a lot of the big issues with this machine, if you put too much coffee in your portafilter, and you put it in here, it'll actually break the frame. So don't put too much coffee. I haven't calibrated this machine whatsoever, so we're just going to grind a certain amount and see what comes out. Really, we just wanted to test the knobs. We didn't do any other work to this machine at any point. And so after it grinds, it's gonna ask you to tamp, which you use this lever for. I like using about 2 or 3 times for tamping, because there's always a little bit of coffee that's just layered down. But we have coffee. And so we're gonna put this in here. And we're just going to brew a shot. We can use these two. Hopefully it won't spill out. There you go. So we're just going to brew a double. Again, I didn't calibrate this thing or anything like that. I just replaced the knobs, which is what the customer wanted. And yeah. Now we're brewing a shot. So the first couple seconds, and that was a little sputtering you seen at the beginning, was pre-infusion. But yeah. This is going to be a really good shot. A little slow, so I probably put a little bit too much coffee, and it's probably a little too fine. I actually have it on the third finest setting. But yeah, we're just going to turn it off there. So you do have a really pretty shot, actually. 2 pretty shots. And take this out. Yep. And we're all set. And that's about it for this video. If you like this repair or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.